I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
Here we have a 2022 plate Polo GTI, which is a 2-litre TSI DSG 207ps. This performance model comes finished in a smoky grey metallic paint as an optional extra. The current mileage is 7,925 miles. Some great features include rear tinted glass as well as front and rear parking sensors, with the 18-inch Faro black diamond turn alloys as an optional extra. Then on the front we have your fantastic IQ lights as well as your electric folding exterior mirrors. We have a generous boot space to easily cater for day-to-day needs. The floor is variable so the height can be adjusted and the rear seats can be folded. The interior is finished off in the sporty Chikara cloth upholstering with your ISOFIX points fitted into the outer rear seats. In the front we have your red dash display, your multifunctional steering wheel featuring the touch control. This is followed by your front seats with plenty of manual adjustments available. The steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing to access the car's media system at the touch of your fingertips. Then directly ahead we have your digital cockpit, which displays all your key driver information and settings such as your lap timer, driving data, assist systems and navigation. In the centre we have your infotainment system that works alongside your digital cockpit. Here we can access your car's features in more depth such as your DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity as well as your full smartphone mirroring through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. With the satellite navigation to support you in planning your routes, you can change the display from day to night or leave an automatic. With your drive and profile selection, allow you to choose your car's performance. And then when popping the car into reverse, this is how your parking sensors will appear on the screen. This car features a 2-zone climate control, allowing yourself and front passenger to be in charge of your own temperature settings. You can alter the direction as well as the airflow. Then just below we have 2 USB ports as well as some additional storage, your automatic transmission followed by your manual handbrake.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.